judge in Maryland has demanded answers from the Department of Justice about what the government's plans are for Kilmar Garcia. On the other side of the country, a federal judge is considering an emergency request to constrain how ICE agents go about conducting their raids. Both immigration cases are set to be in court today. Fox News correspondent Lucas Tomlinson has more from Washington.
The Trump administration's immigration crackdown is taking center stage in 2 federal courtrooms today. A Maryland judge is set to grill a Department of Homeland Security official on what's next for Kilmar Abrego Garcia after he was wrongfully deported and then brought back to U.S. soil.
If they want to take another run at it and do the process legally and correctly, we will defend that in immigration court.
Garcia is now behind bars over human trafficking charges. Federal judge says he could be released ahead of trial as early as next week. But the Justice Department has indicated if he's released, ICE will deport him to a third-party country. The judge overseeing Garcia's lawsuit against the DHS is demanding an official testify about next steps.
The last time that Kilmar Abrego Garcia was put on an airplane, he did not know where that airplane was flying to until it landed at the airport in El Salvador. What we're trying to do here is to make sure that that doesn't happen again a second time.
Meantime, a federal judge will consider a lawsuit from a coalition of 18 attorneys general over the raids in Los Angeles, saying they, quote, prioritize maximizing the quantity of arrests over the right to due process and have shattered the rhymes of everyday life. They're calling on the court to put a stop to racial profiling and warrantless arrests. ICE officials say their agents are acting lawfully.
These ICE officers are serving the American people, putting the American people first. In reality, they are just enforcing the immigration laws that are on the books in the United States.
President Trump says he will not consider a law forcing ICE agents to show their identities while making arrests. In Washington, Lucas Tomlinson, Fox 5 News.